Longhu Ancient Village has a rich history tracing back to the Southern Song Dynasty, 1127–1279. Initially established as a settlement, it was transformed into a fortified village during the Ming Dynasty to defend against external threats such as pirates. Its strategic location along the Han River made it a vital hub for trade and cultural exchange. The village's design reflects traditional Chinese principles, with its layout inspired by the Bagua, 8 trigrams. It is structured with 3 streets and 6 alleys, forming a harmonious and well-organized community. Over the centuries, it developed into a vibrant cultural center, featuring ancestral halls, temples, and traditional residences. These structures are adorned with exquisite craftsmanship, including wood carvings, stone sculptures, and colorful ceramics, showcasing the artistic legacy of the village's builders. During the Qing Dynasty, Longhu Ancient Village thrived as a commercial and cultural hub. However, as modern transportation developed and trade routes shifted, its prominence gradually declined. Despite these changes, the village has retained its historical charm and cultural significance. Today, Longhu Ancient Village stands as a living museum of traditional Chinese architecture and culture, attracting visitors and researchers who seek to explore its enduring historical and cultural legacy.